Crypto Investor EA, Personal Review. Ever wondered if a Crypto Investor EA could really boost your trading game? Let's dive into my personal journey with it. This expert advisor promised automated crypto trades with smart algorithms. Sounds great, but does it actually deliver? First up, performance. You expect profits, right? Over weeks of testing, I saw steady gains, not fireworks, but consistent growth. Reliability was key for me. This EA didn't crash once and ran smoothly 24/7 without hiccups. That peace of mind? Priceless. Ease of use? If you're not tech savvy, don't worry. Setup took just minutes, and the interface was clean and intuitive. So, how's the risk management? The EA has built-in stop-loss and take-profit settings that help protect my investment during rough days. Profitability is what you really care about. While it's no magic money printer, the EA helped me capture good opportunities without emotional stress. Integrating with my favorite trading platform was seamless. No complicated hacks, just plug and play, and it's ready to roll. Customer support? Responsive and helpful. When I hit a snag, they resolved it quickly without the usual waiting game. Of course, no system is perfect. It struggled a bit during extremely volatile market swings, so keep that in mind. Overall, this Crypto Investor EA felt like having a smart assistant watching trades around the clock, freeing me up for life. If you're tired of staring at charts and want a bit of automation without too much hassle, this EA is worth a shot. But remember, no EA replaces your judgment. Use it as a tool, not a crystal ball. Stay sharp and supervise your investments. Ready to level up your crypto trading? Give the Crypto Investor EA a try and see if it fits your style. Got questions or want to hear more user stories? Drop a comment below. Let's talk crypto and automation. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews like this. Your crypto journey just got a whole lot smarter. Thanks for watching. Remember, in the fast world of crypto, smart tools can make all the difference. Catch you in the next review. Until then, keep your eyes on the charts and your strategy sharp. Remember, the best tool is the one that fits how you trade. Test wisely and trade confidently with your EA. Automation isn't set it and forget it. Keep monitoring and adjusting to catch those crypto waves just right. The Crypto Investor EA saved me time and stress, turning crypto chaos into a smoother ride. If you're juggling life and crypto, this bot could be the sidekick you didn't know you needed. The learning curve? Minimal. Even if you're a crypto newbie, you don't need to be a coding ninja to get started. Performance-wise, think of it as a loyal but cautious friend. No wild bets, just steady support. Bottom line? Crypto Investor EA isn't a magic pill, but a solid helper in your trading toolbox. If you're ready to mix automation with your own savvy, this EA might just be your secret weapon. So, what do you say? Ready to automate and elevate your crypto trading experience? Hit the comments if you want a deeper dive or a follow-up review after more tests. And remember, no investment is risk-free, so always trade with money you can afford to lose. Thanks for sticking around. This review is just one angle of a complex crypto world. Stay curious, stay cautious, and keep exploring smart crypto tools to find your edge. Remember, your best trades are backed by your knowledge and the right tech working together. This Crypto Investor EA review was all about balance, automation without losing control. For any crypto enthusiast, having a trustworthy EA can be a game changer, from risk to rewards. Keep an eye on updates too. The developers regularly improve features and performance. The crypto market moves fast, but with tools like this EA, you get a little help keeping pace. If stress-free trading sounds good, automating with a reliable EA might be just what you need. The key takeaway? Use the Crypto Investor EA as an assistant, not a magician. Real success needs your input. Ready for a smarter crypto journey? Start small, learn the ropes, and grow your portfolio with confidence. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. You're one step closer to your crypto goals already. Thanks again for joining me on this review. Your crypto future looks brighter with smart tools by your side. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest, no-fluff crypto insights. If you try the Crypto Investor EA, share your story. Let's build a community of smart crypto traders. Together, we can navigate this exciting and sometimes crazy crypto world more confidently. Stay tuned for more reviews, tips, and tricks to keep your crypto game sharp and savvy. Automation plus your insight equals the power combo for future crypto success. Thanks for watching my personal review of the Crypto Investor EA. Until next time, happy trading. Remember, crypto is a marathon, not a sprint. Pace yourself and use every tool wisely. Keep your eyes open, always learning, always adapting. That's the crypto way. Catch you soon with more honest reviews and tips. Until then, keep crushing those crypto goals.